Mabuhay everyone! My name is Rapohia Tan. So I want to discuss a serious topic that affects skiers, head injuries, and how to prevent it. Skiing can be exhilarating experience, but it also comes with risks, especially when it comes to head injuries and occupational hazards. So head injury is common causes of skiing included collisions with other skiers, stationary objects, falls due to losing balance. So let's take a look some common causes of injuries while skiing. One is loss of balance. Falls due to losing balance are also frequent. Skiers of all levels can be experienced this, particularly when they are not familiar with their equipment of terrain. Two is improper techniques. Using improper skiing techniques can lead to falls and injuries. It's essential to learn and practice the right skills. 3 is equipment failure. Equipment failure that is not properly maintained or fitted can lead to accidents. Always check your gear before getting the slopes. Last is inexperience. Lastly is to beginners to often higher risk due to inexperience are not be fully aware their limits or how to navigate challenging conditions. How to prevent head injuries. First and foremost, always wear protective gear when biking, skateboarding, or participating in sports like football, skiing. A helmet is crucial. So, paano nga po ba may iwasan ang isang accident sa lahat ng mga mangyayari? First is, i-check muna yung mga protective gear or use protective gear na gagamitin para maging protective tayo sa lahat ng mga hindi dapat mangyari. Next po is, follow safety rules. Need natin mag-follow ng rules dahil isa yun sa mga dahilan ng hindi pagsunod sa lahat, kaya yung iba is naaaksidente dahil may mga sarili silang desisyon sa buhay. Last is avoid dangerous activity. Syempre, kung gusto mong hindi maaksidente, iwasan mo yung masyado kang magalaw. Tas ingatan din natin yung mga galaw natin sa lahat ng activities na gagawin para maiwasan na accidents. Like yun lang, pwede tayo lahat mag-enjoy in a safety way. Let's prioritize our safety activities and environments to protect ourselves and our loved ones. Thank you for attention and thank you for listening.